What's up, guys? Welcome to Vision Codes. How are you? I hope you all are fine. What's up, Jack? Tell what you want this time.
Bro, I have seen Iron Man and his Jarvis also. So can you make a Jarvis like Iron Man for me?
Yeah, of course. So, alright, guys, let's make a Jarvis for Jack. So, we will make this Jarvis in many parts. So, today is first part. So, let's get started. First, you have to open any of your ID. Like, I will open VS Code. Let's open VS. After opening, you have to make a new file and name it anything, but don't forget the extension .py. So I will make jarvis.py, then open your terminal, then open any of your browser. You have to install packages, two packages. So simply write python install pyttsx3. You can also go through the link in the description. For now, I will search and you can see on first number its website of Python. We have to copy this pip install pyttsx3, go in your terminal, paste it and hit enter, it will be installed. Second package, again go in your browser and search python install speech recognition package. For now I will search, you can also go from link in the description. You can see on the first it's there. We will copy this pip install speech recognition, then again go and paste in your terminal and hit enter, it will be also installed. After installing, we have to import these two libraries. Simply write import pyttsx3, it is text to speech version 3. Then we have to install the second package which we have downloaded. So we will write import speech, then recognition, and then write as sr. So you have to write import speech recognition as sr. Now in third line you have to import one another, it is pre-installed, no need to install it. So simply write import date time, it will give date and time to the Jarvis. Then leave one line and you have to declare a variable, anything you can give name. So write engine is equal to pyttsx3 dot init. Init means initialize, then place bracket, then place single inverted comma and write sappy5, it is the voice of computer, it is pre-installed. Then in next line you have to again declare a variable. Simply write voices is equal to engine dot get property. In get property p should be capital, then place bracket and single inverted comma and write voices. Then again in next line you have to write engine dot set property. In set property p also should be capital, place bracket, place single inverted comma and here you have to write voice, then after comma you have to place one comma and write voices, then place this type of bracket you can see and write 0.id. 0.id is voice of the computer. There are two voices, 0 and 1, so you can write any of them. Then leave two line and we have to define the wish me, that Python should wish us. So we will simply write def speak, then place bracket and you have to write audio, then after bracket place colon and hit enter. Then you have to write engine dot say, then place bracket and you have to again write audio without colon plus enter, and then write engine dot run and wait, so that he will wait for your input. Then place bracket and leave one line after that and you have to again write def wish me. We are making so that first Jarvis should wish us good morning, good afternoon or anything that time. In wish me m should be capital and place bracket, then colon, then hit enter. Then you have to write hour, you can give it any name but I will give hour is equal to int means integer, int then bracket, then date time which you have imported the package, you can see, then date time, then again date time. So you have to write hour is equal to integer, in bracket date time dot date time, Now then again place a bracket, then after bracket you have to write dot hour. Then after this line leave one line and you have to write if hour greater than or equal to 0. 0 means 12 am in the night, and you have to write greater than or equal to 0, and hour should be less than 12 means 12 pm, so that there will be good morning. So press enter, write speak, place bracket, place double inverted comma and write good morning. Hit enter, leave one line and you have to use elif. Hour is greater than or equal to 12 means pm, and hour is less than 18 means 6 pm. Place colon, hit enter and write speak, place bracket, place double inverted comma and write good afternoon. Then you have to write else, then place colon, hit enter and write speak, place bracket, double inverted comma and write good evening. Then after writing this, leave one line, then write speak function, write speak, place bracket, place double inverted comma and write whatever the Jarvis will say in first. Like I will write, hello sir, I am Jarvis, please tell me how can I help you. After this, leave two lines and we have to write last code of our first part. So write main and click enter on the suggestion, it will come. Then on the place of main in second line we have to write wish me. M should be capital. So now it's our first part is complete. You can see the code. Then I will run this in terminal. You can see it's working.
Good evening. Hello sir, I am Jarvis. Please tell me how can I help you.
So have you completed, Jarvis?
Oh Jack, we are making it in many parts, so just wait for it.
Okay, I am waiting, just make it.
That's it for today guys. We will continue making this in our next part.